Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva videos better. First, let's talk about planning. Before you even open Canva, take a moment to define your video's goal and who you want to reach. A clear purpose guides your creative choices. Next, sketch out a basic storyboard. This helps you visualize the flow and transitions between your scenes. Finally, collect all your images, clips, and audio files in one place to streamline your editing process. Now, let's focus on making your visuals pop. Always opt for high-resolution images and video clips. Blurry content can detract from your message. Consistency is key, so stick to a cohesive color palette and font styles that align with your brand. Canva offers thousands of elements, but choose wisely. When adding animations or transitions, keep them subtle and purposeful, ensuring they enhance rather than overwhelm your viewer's experience. Next, let's refine your audio and text elements. Music sets the tone, so pick a track that perfectly matches your video's message and mood. If you're including a voiceover, record it in a quiet environment to ensure clarity and professionalism. For text, less is often more. Keep your messages brief and easy to read, using fonts and colors that stand out clearly against your chosen background. Aim for a minimum font size of 24 points for on-screen readability. Finally, let's talk about pacing and engagement. Most online videos perform best when they are short and to the point, often under 90 seconds. Varying your shots and angles helps keep viewers engaged and prevents monotony. Don't forget a strong call to action at the end. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting a website or subscribing. A clear call to action can significantly boost your video's effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.